The unfolded protein has nonpolar hydrophobic residues and polar hydrophilic residues. When the unfolded protein undergoes folding, it produces a native protein. The nonpolar hydrophobic residues cluster together somewhat like an oil drop and form the core of the native protein or folded protein. So, this core of native protein is hydrophobic in nature. The core of the native protein is water insoluble in nature. This hydrophobic core is driven away from the surrounding water by hydrophobic effect. The charged hydrophilic residues of the unfolded protein appear on the surface of native protein. So, the surface of native protein is hydrophilic in nature. This hydrophilic surface of native protein interacts with water and ions. The native protein undergoes unfolding to produce unfolded protein. Please like, subscribe and share.